Hey guys, this is Balaji. I'm a QA engineer from Tamil Nadu. I have around 5 years of experience. I work with both Selenium automation as well as API automation. When coming to Selenium automation, we will be coming across lot of web elements and we will be spending lot of our time in finding the XPath of the web elements. At one point of time, I thought I'm really good in finding the XPath of the web elements, and I was not using any tools and I was working by my own. When I came across a tool called SelectorsHub in the LinkedIn, it was something different than other products, means other tool for finding the XPath available in the market. So I attended the launch event conducted by Sanjay sir in the YouTube. I was really impressed with the product, so I immediately started downloading it and working on it. It really reduced a lot of my time in finding the XPath for the web elements. So I recommend for all the automation test engineers at least to try this tool so that you can reduce a lot of your time and save the time for constructing the framework as well as concentrating on logic part. So thank you so much for the product, Sanjay sir. You are such an inspiration. Nowadays, whenever I'm getting resume from the candidates for the interview, I can see SelectorsHub as one of their primary skill set in the resumes. So this shows how much impact you have created in the QA industry. So we are expecting more tools like this from you, Sanjay sir, in the future as well, and we will be supporting as always. Thank you so much once again, Sanjay sir, for the product. And for all the automation test engineers, I recommend this tool at least to try this, and you will be more beneficial. Thank you so much.